This is the Bailey Pegasus Grande Black Edition Brindisi. Now this is a 4-berth caravan that's perfect for couples that want room to stretch out, or it can accommodate a family of up to 4 people. Now it is an 8-foot wide caravan, but it is incredibly light. MT-PLM of just 1,550 kilos, which means you can tow it with a suitable tow car like Subaru's Outback or Skoda's Kodiaq. But the real magic is inside. It has a C-shaped lounge and an island bed. So let's step inside and take a look. The lounge in the Brindisi has this wraparound C-shaped seating area with a new near side seat. Very roomy in here. It also comes with sprung upholstery, that's important to note, it's not foam, and 3 scatter cushions. Now thanks to the panoramic window behind me and the windows either side, you really do have that true panoramic view if you're at your favourite campsite and you have that particularly great view and you don't want to miss anything at all. Now night time, these are 6 foot long, could be used as singles, or this makes up into a massive double bed, or evening time we have a freestanding table that fits here so you could all enjoy something to eat and you can stow the table away under the bed. So let's talk about tech, because the Brindisi comes jam-packed with it. To start off, we have a Truma Combi 4. Now that not only heats the interior living space, also the hot water for your shower, sink and basin. There are 2 30-volt sockets throughout and 4 USBs. And also, if you'd like to have a 230-volt supply in the awning, there's an exterior socket as well. On the roof, there's a 130-watt Truma solar panel. And to keep you entertained, there's a SONOS speaker, which has Alexa voice control. And if you like to charge your gadgets, there's wireless charging in the lounge. So in the kitchen, thanks to that new Peninsula unit, there's 25% more worktop space, plenty of room for your coffee maker, air fryer, chopping board, whatever. Now this kitchen is incredibly well equipped. Microwave, dual fuel hob, separate grill, separate oven, and a fridge to my left. So regardless of how ambitious your cooking plans are, you'll be able to cook whatever you need. And to make sure you know that you're in a Black Edition caravan, we have the nice black accents to the tap, the handles, and the towel hooks. Stepping through into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed. Now there are 2 modes here, day mode, night mode. Day mode as it is now, push back, gives you all that room to walk around the foot of the bed. Night mode, pull it out so you have room for that really good night's sleep. Above the bed, for all you stargazers, there's now a midi hecky, which allows that sunlight or moonlight to flow through, and to the left of the bed is a TV point. The Brindisi has an incredibly spacious end washroom with all the facilities you would expect at home, such as a separate shower, the loo, basin, and, importantly, plenty of dressing space here. It has all the accents as well from that Black Edition, like we had in the kitchen, that follows through into the bathroom. And to give you privacy, there's the all-important sliding door, which saves even more space. So in summary, the Brindisi is an 8-foot wide caravan that has all the room you could ever need on your travels, but it's light. Just 1,550 kilos, which means you won't need a beefy tow car, thanks to it being based on that single axle chassis. But it's inside where the magic happens. You have that C-shaped lounge at the front and that island bed to the rear.